Meaning of double quick.
Double quick.
Double quick.
Double quick.
Double quick. Double quick is an idiomatic expression commonly used to mean very quickly or at great speed. The phrase is often used in military or urgent situations to communicate the need for swift action or movement. When someone is asked to do something double quick, they are expected to complete the task with a sense of urgency and a fast pace. This phrase implies that the situation is pressing, and time is of the essence. Overall, double quick means completing a task or moving at a very rapid pace.